Good day everyone, and we are the Group 3. And for today's video, we will going to talk about our business plan. Our business called Choco Rock and Roll. This product made from tasty bread rolled with the chocolate filling and dipped with egg and breadcrumbs and fried with oil. This product is affordable for students, faculty, and visitors. Our menu highlights is the Choco Roll or the Choco Rock and Roll. Our goal is to break even within 2 to 4 weeks by serving 50 customers per day.
The market analysis is first the customer. Ano nga ba sino ang magiging customer namin? Siyempre, mga student, teachers, and faculty member, and of course, visitor. The second one is, ano nga ba yung needs or ano nga ba kakaiba sa aming product? Siyempre, affordable, sweet, and tasty food. And siyempre, ginawa namin ito with love. And sino nga ba yung mga kakompetensya namin sa aming pagtitinda? The first one is the another group, and of course, yung iba't ibang tindahan dito sa nakapaligid sa aming paaralan. And ano yung kakaiba sa product namin? Ang kakaiba sa product namin, bukod sa ginawa namin ito with love, ito ay malinis, at ito ay ginawa namin ng mabilis, and syempre hindi mawawala ang pa-promo namin. And the last one is price point. So syempre dahil ang aming mga customer ay mga student, teachers, and other visitors dito sa aming paaralan, tinarget namin yung price namin ng 5 to 10 pesos each. Product and pricing. So now, the retail namin is 5 pesos to 10 pesos. And then, syempre, meron kaming small tab na merong 5 pieces na nagkakahalaga ng 35 pesos to 50 pesos. And meron kaming medium na merong 8 pieces na nagkakahalaga ng 55 pesos to 80 pesos. And syempre, meron kaming large na 12 pieces and nagkakahalaga siya ng 90 to 120 pesos.
So, for the operation of our rock and roll product, so we are always located at the campus, which is the Southern Luzon State University. Our product is open up to 8 a.m. to 4 a.m. Monday to Friday. Then for the staff, we have a 2 to 3 persons per shift, and for the supplies like the bread, chocolate, so kukuhain namin yon sa local wet market. Then for the payment, student and faculties are allowed to pay through cash and GCash. And for the marketing strategy of our product, we are a friendly service and have a clean packaging. So in the clean packaging, so it helps our business to attract more customer. Then we also have a promos, which is the Lucky Pick, happy hour discounts, and also we give a loyalty cards to our customers. Then they can call us, or pwede nilang hanapin ang aming product sa social media, which is the Facebook page, IG, and TikTok. Then also, pwede din kaming makipag-partnership sa iba't ibang organization, lalo na dito sa loob ng paaralan, sa tuwing sila ay may event at kailangan ng aming service. At
for our legal requirements, we have school director's permit, sanitary and health permits, and also faculty permit from SLS.
And for our financial plan, ang startup cost namin ay 1,500. So ito ay gagamitin namin na puhunan for ingredients, materials, permits, and initial inventory. So ang magiging average sale namin per day ay 500 pesos. So and ang monthly sale naman namin ay 10,000 pesos. So kada ano yun. So, and kapag nabawas naman ang monthly expenses namin na 5,200, ang magiging net income naman namin kada buwan ay 4,800. So, mabilis lang ang payback period dahil kapag nakabawi kami sa puhunan sa loob ng isang linggo ay magiging maayos at kung consistent ba ang aming sale.
So when it comes to risk and resolution, we have the factors we have to consider. The first one is the low demand. So dito naman sa part na ito is magkakaroon tayo na it's either we offer promos and magkakaroon tayo ng partnerships. The second one is the increases of prices. So is mag-a-adjust yung ating menu and yung mga supplier deals. And the third one is food safety issues. So dito naman is yung strictly hygiene and monitoring. So the fourth one is competitions. So ito naman yung mga competitors na iba. So ang pagpupukasan lang natin is the affordable and cleanliness-friendly service. So for the timeline naman, halimbawa is the first week, after all the permits na nasubmit natin or yung tapos na yung mga permits, magkakaroon naman tayo ng soft openings and feedbacks from our customers. So pagkatapos naman nun is, kung ma-accomplish natin yon, magkakaroon tayo saka ng opening and promos.